Hey everybody, it's Chris here with the Droning Company today, joined by Ariel from Percepto. So, walking right in the front of the show, this is quite the spectacle here. Very neat system. I want to learn a little bit more about this drone, about Percepto, and the services that you offer through your platforms.
Sure, thanks. So Percepto is the name for fully autonomous drone systems. We're the most deployed drone in a box today in the world. We work in 11 countries, mainly in the US and Europe, and we provide services for every industrial site. So oil and gas, both upstream and downstream. We work with T&D, transmission, distribution companies, mining companies, and heavy industrial sites in general. And what we do is we provide a full service end-to-end, from having these systems deployed for the data collection part, and throughout the software that we provide that enables all that data to come to one place. We convert that into reports, and we are able to have these reports deployed to the people so they can take next steps.
Okay, gotcha.
So that's what we do.
Excellent. Now, in terms of this particular model back here, can you tell us a little bit about this drone and how it works and what it's used for?
Yeah, sure. So this specific drone is what we call the Max OGI, a Max Optical Gas Imaging. It's the only drone-in-a-box autonomous system today that has an optical gas imaging for emission detection today. Wow. Okay. And this is very important for the oil and gas and petrochem companies today because of where the government and the whole emission planning is going. The ability for the drone to constantly look for leaks, make sure that they know about them, quantify them, and then have them have a full audit of what's going on their site is a really big game changer for the world, as opposed to what they're doing today manually or with manned operation drones, which is a very hard service to do.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. Now, in terms of its compatibility with this Nest technology, tell us a little bit about how this works and how that might benefit somebody in that gas detection industry, how they could set it up and configure it to work with their operation.
Sure. So when we look at downstream operations, we put these systems in the refineries. These systems fly around and conduct inspections on an ongoing basis. They use two cameras, the OGI and the day camera, to look for the leaks itself in tanks and in the storage facilities and so on. And all that data is transferred live into the AIM.
Wow.
The base station is a Cat 5 approved base station. It's the most ruggedized out there for heavy industrial sites. And that's what we do in the petrochem. Okay. When we go to upstream, because of the vast size, we have what we call a hopper. Mm-hmm. So it's a lot of base stations all over the place, and the drone just flies from base station to base station, charges and does that area in terms of inspecting the wellheads and the compressors and so on. Okay. So you get a full inspection of your site on an ongoing basis to get all that data into one location. Basically reducing the risk for people, because now you know exactly where their leaks are. You have full visibility of what's going on in your site. You have the ability to be prepared for any audit. Now you're looking at your site every day. The EPA cannot come and say, you didn't inspect in the last 6 months, because you're showing them that you're constantly looking for these leaks and trying to fix them.
Absolutely, and not to mention probably the timeliness and finding leaks before they get too bad and they've lost too much. Now, this is absolutely impressive technology. I know there are a lot of people out there that probably want some questions answered about it. Where can they go to find out more about this drone, about your company, and how they can use it for whatever they're trying to accomplish?
Well, our website is the best way to go, percepto.co. All the information there per industry, so you can see what we're doing and what the value that we provide for the oil and gas market, for the transmission distribution, for the solar industry, for the mining industry. We work a lot with heavy industrial. That's our focus, and all the information in there, you can contact us, and we'll be happy to come back and talk to you.
Excellent. Ariel, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Absolutely.